Hey everyone, welcome back to another installation video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Honda Accord and we're going to do the headlight tint installation on this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint will provide protection to the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the headlight. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, so to start off the installation, we want to make sure we clean the headlight. So just spray Slip Solution and then remove any contaminants that the headlight might have. Once we finish prepping the headlight, we're going to apply Slip Solution again on the headlight and then on the tint as well. And with this one, we're going to align it right on the edge here first. Once you have it aligned, lift the film just a bit and apply Tack Solution underneath the film and on top of the film. Now that we apply Tack Solution, hold it in place and start tacking it down with your squeegee. We want to squeegee up to roughly around here. That way the film doesn't move and it stays in position. Okay, now that we have this secured, we could start stretching the film to the other end over there. So just apply Slip Solution. Make sure this area is dry, that way you're able to have grip and stretch. So stretch and make sure you're aligning it on top and bottom while you're stretching. So hold it in position. Make sure it's aligned still, up to the edge there. Apply Tack Solution on the film and on the lens and start tacking down. And then before we add any heat or start sealing in the edges, just double check and see if there's any water bubbles on the back of the film. So if you do see some, you remove them before we seal all of the edges. Okay, so once we secured it in position and we make sure there's no solutions behind the film, the next thing is to seal all the edges and any fingers that are popping out with Tack Solution and heat. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the 2023 Honda Accord headlight. If you guys do have any questions in regards to installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Don't forget to give the video a like, make sure you're subscribed, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the next one.